put my fucking seatbelt on. Alright, y'all. I'm coming at y'all boys with another POV drive, man. And yes, sirski, as y'all see, man, this cluster is actually working, bro. And the crazy part about this, you know what I'm saying, is that the cluster is not even working because of the taser. It's actually working because I had actually got to put a alarm and a tracker and a kill switch installed on here. And like, just like the sport mode with the SRT pages and this, I don't think everything need a full tase. I just think some things just need a download. But I still do need the taser because I can't change it from this. But it make my POVs look a lot better with this car. You know what I'm saying? It definitely make my POVs look a lot better with this car. No faking. But I'm actually leaving work right now, man. We finna hit the highway, bro. You could call this a V8 ASMR. I won't really call it no ASMR because it'll just be the engine only. I'm talking and shit like that. But yeah, bro, like I said, bro, this is a 5.7 300C 2013. You feel me? Not bad for a 20. I made the best out of. I'm finna make the best out of what kind of car this is, bro. This is really like regular traffic for real, but I'm finna turn it. I'm finna turn this bitch up. Like, my shit look like a scat on the outside. I just gotta do the back. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm really blessed for real. But we finna see how this bitch get down though. Waiting for these damn trucks, man. Fuck. Don't mind if I do. Can't get over that sound, man, of a HEMI, man. Cannot get over the sound of a HEMI. Alright, I'm gonna put this motherfucker in sport. Turn traction off. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh shit. I ain't even motherfucking see that car right there. Shit. Shit. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Like, that's why I should have just stayed in the lane I was at. Cause like, bro, I don't be seeing these cars and I need to start checking my blind spot more, bro. Like, for real. But gonna stretch this bitch though. No cap. We on to the races, man. Whoa. Look like you getting over, buddy. Yeah, get your ass over. But yeah, man. This bitch ride smooth though, bro. I still need to get an alignment, you know what I'm saying? And things of that nature. You feel me? But for the most part, bro, it rides smooth, bro. For this year, you know, I ain't got no lights on the dash, no none of that. The only thing is my washer fluid lights. And, you know, I'm going to get that situated whenever I'm ready to get that situated. It's not really a necessity. You know what I'm saying? But I fuck with this car heavy, man. My next mod, man, is actually going to be a steering wheel. I feel like, you know, a steering wheel inside this car is literally gonna set it off. Like, I'm gonna worry about like swapping my radio out and stuff like that at different time, but you know, for now, you know what I'm saying, like, I'm gonna focus on getting this steering wheel because that's gonna make the cockpit of the car look amazing. Like, my shit, I really want to get the one with the SRT airbag. I don't give a fuck if this is HEMI. This is my car, and if I want to see SRT on my motherfucking airbag, that's what I'm gonna see. I want like a scat steering wheel, and I want SRT on this bitch. I want to put some more floor lights. I'm telling you, bro. I just have to get the outside of my car looking right. And then, you know, I'm starting to focus on the interior a little bit more. You know what I'm saying? And then I'm going to just finish everything, bro, at the right time, man. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. 12s on the other side. Fuck. Whoa, my bad. I just wanted to get a good little pull in. You feel me? If I come across like another like little tunnel, you feel me, then I'ma you know, get active in this bitch. But this bitch smooth, bro, for the most part, man. This bitch smooth, man. I'm fucking with it. For the price, man, and for this shit, like, nothing is like stolen about this car. Obviously, I wouldn't incriminate myself anyway, but nothing is stolen on this car. Everything is completely legal on this car. Like, I just made this shit happen, man. And one day, you know, I get a Scat, I get a Hellcat one day, man. Once the money start looking right and one shit just start making sense, bro. But right now, I'm just grateful for where I'm at, for real, bro. This shit is right here alone is a blessing, like, for real, bro. Sometimes, bro, you gotta make the best out of what you got, bro, for right now, man. And I feel like, shit, at the end of the day, shit, I ain't in no V6 shit, you know. So, I mean, you can always make the best out of anything, bro. So, I'm really chilling. I'm comfortable where I'm at, like, financially, for what my pockets can afford, you know, in terms of what a car. I feel like this is a perfect car for me, man. I feel like I don't need nothing no less, nothing no more than this as of right now. Shit. Let me slow my ass down. This car is coming up. Fuck. Yeah, man. Fresh off of work, hitting the E-way, man. Niggas already know how that go, man. I ain't gonna lie, this bitch moving though, bro. For a 5.7 gang, bro. Like, don't get me wrong, bro. I done drove Scats and I done been in Scats, bro. Them bitches are different, gang. But, bro, these 5.7s are more than enough power to be able to enjoy your car, gang. Like, to have fun and just to enjoy your car, bro. Like, the 5.7 is really, like, heavily fucking slept on, gang. Like, it's entry level. You know what I'm saying? It's the perfect amount of power, you know what I'm saying, for a first time muscle car buyer, and you still get that same sound, that same Rory V8 HEMI, distinctive HEMI sound, you know what I'm saying? And you still get a nice car that fucking look good and that's comfortable and that's luxury. So it's just like, man, I don't be caring what the fuck motherfuckers that don't even be having a car be talking about. Like, that shit, I don't even let that shit faze me, bro. But alignment will definitely help the way this car ride, though. Like, it is, when I get up to speed, bro, it's not like shaking or anything like that. But with this alignment like this, bro, it kind of feel a little loose. You know what I'm saying? Kind of feel like the car's a little bit swayed, like the weight is like unevenly distributed when I'm like making turns, going like high speeds and stuff like that. So, you know, my bad if like the angle of this POV is like looking different. You know what I'm saying? It's just like, I'm really just trying to, you feel me? I really need to buy, I'm really gonna buy a head mount for y'all, man. I'm really gonna buy a head mount, you know what I'm saying, so I could be able to drive this bitch in manual, bro. Because driving this bitch in manual, the POVs is gonna be 10 times better, bro. Like, I know how to drive in manual, and I'm comfortable with driving in manual now, and I know how to shift good in manual. So, you know, I could have came up grad shit, but fuck it, you know what I'm saying? I'm used to just taking the freeway all the way to the 8, man. No cap. But yeah, man, not bad for a 2013, bro. Eventually, I want to put some Scat seats and shit in here. You know, like I said, bro, the hoes don't know the difference, gang. Like, you could tell these bitches, this bitch a SRT, this bitch a Scat. Nigga, they gonna believe that shit, nigga. They see SRT right there. Nigga, they gonna see SRT on my cluster when I start this bitch up. Like, nigga, they gonna see the outside of this bitch, nigga, the Scat wheels, SRT front end. Like, nigga, you tell these hoes, this bitch a Scat, this bitch a SRT. Nigga, they gonna believe that shit, gang. Hoes don't be knowing shit for real, bro. As long as your shit look good and your shit sound good and your shit ride nice, gang, like you really good for real, gang. Like that's how I look at it, bro. Shit, until you know the bigger and the better things, you know, the better opportunity sees itself, bro. Like you just gotta make the best out of this shit for real, bro. I'm 21. I'm a young nigga. I had this car since I was 18. Man, you know, I done been through a lot of ups and downs, bro. But I can say that everything that I done went through to this car being stolen and everything that I done been through, I'm grateful and thankful to be in a position I'm in right now. No cap, bro. Like I'm really chilling for real, bro. My pocket's looking kind of rough right now because I had my fucking fuel pump had ended up going out, and it was just a lot of shit that ended up happening, bro. But like I said, nigga, you know, niggas gonna shake back, bro. It ain't nothing that niggas can't handle. Niggas done been through a lot worse, so you know. Yeah, man. Overall review on the 5.7 2013 300C, man. It's a cool car for the price, gang. Like you get what you pay for at the end of the day. You know what I'm saying? If you want a Mopar, if you want a legit, you know what I'm saying, car, you know what I'm saying, that you're not trying to get a scat or no extra shit like that, but you want a car that still could put decent amount of power down and still beating 90% of the cars on the road. You know what I'm saying? That still look good, that still sound good, that still give you that V8 feel. I mean, you can't never go wrong with the 5.7 HEMI, man. Can never go wrong with it, bro. You know, these rappers and stuff like that, you know, then got people in you know, everybody in the chokehold, you know what I'm saying? And people don't even really understand Mopar, don't even really know about, like, cars for a gang. You gotta know this shit. I've been doing this shit before this shit became popular, bro. No cap. So, I mean, I've been in this shit for a little minute, man. That's why I say, like, as long as I've been doing this shit, like, nigga, I haven't been making the best life decisions, bro, but shit, nigga, we here, you feel me? We here. I don't want to do too much, y'all, because I'm in the city now. You know, the Narcs 12 be around, gang. Oh, what the fuck? Bro, people are fucking ridiculous, gang. How you just gonna pull out without even paying no type of attention, bro? Like, what the fuck is wrong with you? And I don't even got road rage, but what he just did was very dumb. Like, you just didn't even think about looking before you just pulled out in traffic. Even the car on the other side of the road was looking like, what the fuck? Like, nigga, what is you doing? What street am I on? Harper? Roll my windows down. I'm gonna give y'all a good little pull. I'm just cruising at this point. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this bitch. Late night cruise, man. Late night cruise. Yes, sirski. Yes, sirski. Alright, y'all. I don't even know where the fuck I'm at. I'm finna put the GPS to the crib, man. I'm finna shoot back to the crib, man. I you know, probably finna go to the gas station, then I finna shoot to the crib. This is gonna wrap the POV drive for y'all boys, man. And yeah, I'm out.